Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit PerspectivePlans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, and welcome to Perspective Plans, where I help you plan for what's to come. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my Every Penny Counts Dated Budget Planner. We're going to be doing our expense log for a week, well, a weekly expense log, in June. My goodness, I can't believe it's June. So of course we did 6 months or like 6 expense videos in our colorful version. As far as the last 6 months, July through December, we're going to be in our neutral version because, well, we've been in this planner for 6 months. And I know a lot of people want to see the neutral and what that would look like with our expense log. So of course we have to abide by those requests. And I'm going to honor that request. So let's go ahead and read our quote and review our Perspective budget, shall we? This planner is available at PerspectivePlans.com, and also it's available at Amazon in print form. And you can use our code PLAN20 for 20% off your order, and thank you in advance for supporting an awesome small business. So of course we got to read our quote. Money should be mastered, not served. Publius Cyrus, or Cyrus. Yeah, Cyrus. Okay, so let's go ahead and track some expenses in June. So of course our week started on from the 16th to the 22nd, Father's Day. So I didn't buy a Father's Day gift. I don't like my father. So I instead bought something from Juvia's Place. I bought some makeup. And I spent about $56.31. And that was definitely a want / a need. Because I wanted a lip gloss, but I also needed foundation and concealer. Does that make sense? So both. Then we had, let's get the white out. So we need to do our sticker buffer. Yeah. Because that's all I spent on the 16th. Let's grab a buffer sticker. There we go. Boom. All right. Insurance. And this was on the 17th. And it's a need, and for my safety. And I believe that cost about $122. Yeah, $122.24. And that was all of my expenses for the 17th. And of course it's Juneteenth this month, so I'm supporting some small businesses. Well, not just small businesses, but Black small businesses. So I'm super excited to do that. And yeah. I'm also a small business, so of course support. We'll likely be having a Juneteenth sale this month. So thank you in advance for supporting my small business. And of course, leave a product review. I'll love knowing what people think about the products I have. And it helps me to improve my products and make them better. So yeah. So the 18th, I got some lipsticks from the Lip Bar, which is a Black business. She was featured on Shark Tank forever ago, but I really like her journey. And yeah, it's a really awesome business. I believe a few months ago, like back in December, she mentioned how she was like the #1 Black business or like Black beauty business in Target. And I was like, oh, well, we have to buy some more things to celebrate. But yeah, I really love her products. The shade range of her lipsticks are absolutely fantastic. And I've noticed recently, as of last year, I've been loving more and more lipsticks. So yeah, and especially hers as well. You can't go wrong with a good lipstick. You just can't. That's part of being a woman. But yeah, that's all I spent on the 18th. And then of course we have the 19th. And here's what I spent. We had the light bill. And that was for Intergy. And then I bought some, it was like bonnets as well as shower caps from Glow by Day. And she's also a small business. Her products have been featured in like Ulta, not Ulta, what is it? It's one of those magazines like Vogue, Cosmo, etc. But I really love her products. And yeah, my hair loves them too. And she has really nice patterns for her products as well. So of course, light bill was a need. I'm gonna say the bonnets were a need as well. Because, well, my hair needs it. And what is it? Bonnets and shower caps. I can't believe I forgot the name of it already. All right, that light bill was how much? $142 and 83 cents. And of course you can hear a few fireworks popping as I record this amazing video. And that's because we will be having 4th of July very soon. And that reminds me, we'll likely be having a semi-annual sale at Respective Plans. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so those were all the purchases for the 19th. Oh no, are those the only ones? Less stuff, more meaning. All right, so what are we doing? 620. A need and Wi-Fi. And that's for internet. And that allows me to stay connected. And helping me post videos like this to people like you. So thank you so much for watching. And of course, subscribe to this channel and of course my main channel, Perspective Plans, where I post productivity videos every single week. $92. And then of course our last thing was the 21st. Let me get our buffer sticker. I guess the no spend weekend will definitely suffice because all I did was technically put my money into savings. So I think that fits. We can put it in here. All right, that looks good. And that was because I did get paid this Friday. So savings. And that was on the 21st. Yeah. And that was definitely a need for my future. And typically it's $250. All right, there we go. Let's grab a box so we can add up our totals. Because this is going to be our last expense tracking in this in the colorful planner, because we're going to be moving to our neutral to honor, because I know a lot of people want to see the neutral. What does this look like in terms of my budget videos as well as my expense tracking? So yeah, I'm going to honor that request and show what that looks like from a planning perspective. There we go. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. And I want to get a decorative sticker. Be bright, be happy, be you. Maybe that'll fit. There we go. Awesome. So many stickers, so little time, but I have been enjoying our weekly expenses, our weekly expense tracking, I guess. And let's see, light blue. Let's do our total. And let's get some calculating done. Okay. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. And a lot of this is mostly bills. Not too much shopping was done. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. All right, those are the expenses for the week. Thank you so much for planning with me today. Oh, we gotta add our icons. I knew something was missing. We have to end with a bang, of course. Yeah. Wi-Fi. Okay. And then the light bill. And then insurance. What else? Oh, savings. Shopping. I think everything else is shopping. Yeah. Woohoo! There we go. All right, those are my expenses for the week. Thank you so much for watching and planning with me today. And remember to keep planning for what's to come, and I will see you in the very, very next one. Bye, everyone. Remember to keep planning for what's to come. Bye, y'all. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.